Hey guys, welcome back to Awira's Kitchen. Today we're making Kuku Kienyeji and I'll show you how to make it super tender and full of flavor. If you've ever struggled with tough chicken, this video is for you. Start by cleaning and cutting the Kuku Kienyeji into pieces. Add them into a sufuria, a bit of water, salt, black pepper. You can add garlic or ginger. Pro tip: the longer you simmer, the softer it becomes. Don't rush this step. Cover and let it boil for around 40 to 50 minutes. Now we are going to fry our base. In another pan, add cooking oil, onions, then cook till golden brown. Add some garlic for that deep flavor. Add your chopped tomatoes and let them cook down until soft and saucy. Now spice it up. Add some salt, black pepper and roiko. Nimbaya. Add your pre-boiled chicken to the mixture. Stir everything together so the flavor combines perfectly. Let it simmer for around 20 minutes till everything is rich and thick. Add some bell peppers or coriander and give it a final mix. And it's ready. Hivyo tu, just like that, Kuku Kienyeji is tender, juicy and packed with flavor. Serve it with ugali, rice or chapati. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Asante.